Hello. So today I'm going to show you how to fix an Insignia dryer that gets stuck and won't turn, and you're going to hear a motor grinding sound, and none of the stuff they tell you on YouTube is going to work. You're going to try to reset the board or whatever it is that they tell you to do. It's all pretty much irrelevant because it's not going to work. So your symptoms are going to be, you try to turn this on. I don't know if it's even going to try to kick over yet, but you're going to hear that. And it's not going to move. So if you're one of the unlucky people that bought this piece of shit Insignia electric dryer here and it does that, I'm going to show you how to fix it in about 2 seconds. Now I'm going to warn you, the correct fix for this is to replace the motor, but I'm going to show you how to get this thing going without a repairman. This is very, very easy. The only tools you're going to need here is a Phillips screwdriver and a hammer. And I'm going to walk you through this. So, first things first, there's 3 screws on the back that you have to take out. And that's going to be definitely put this somewhere where they're not going to get smashed or get lost or whatever. That's 2. I got a bunch of stuff that's preventing me from moving back here, but there you go. 1, 2, 3. So, here, let me see the camera real quick. So your screw holes are going to be 1, 2 in the middle, and 3 down here at the end. Not these ones that hold the top up, but the ones that actually hold this base in place. Alright, so your next move here. This thing now moves back and forth. Now if these screws are taken out, so you're going to move it back a little bit, it's going to lift up. I'm just going to kind of wiggle it like so. Now, you have these 2 screws right here exposed. You're getting that? 1, 2. Your next move is going to be to take out this filter, because you're going to have to do that. And grab your screwdriver again. And now we're going to go 1. And you can do this with a handheld screwdriver if you need to. I just am choosing to do it with this because it's 10 times faster. Actually, if you want to know the truth, I'm going to make my life a little easier. It'll be a little bit easier with this good extension on, so I'm going to throw this on real quick. So 1, 2, and then come over here real quick. Then you've got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and alright. So next move, make sure these don't get lost. Now this is gonna be free, but you do have a sensor down there. And I doubt, right here, I doubt this matters which way they go in, because it's just a switch, but you're going to want to disconnect that. And you see these tabs on the bottom right here, and these holes right here, that's how this goes in. So you're gonna, when you're putting this back on, you're going to lift it up, put it on the tabs, and that's how it sits in. So you take this out. And now your next move is going to just be to unplug these wires real quick. Like I said, I doubt it matters which side goes where, because that's like kind of how these switches work. It really doesn't matter, but that is going to be our next move. Alright, so now we are at the problem. So, what's wrong here is, normally this part right here is also seized up. So you normally have to break it free by hand, right? But that's not going to do it with this, because what's actually wrong is the actual motor itself, the shaft is binding up. So the solution to the problem here is to take a hammer like so and get in on this bolt right here. This bolt right here, you're gonna have to smack that a couple times. And the reason you gotta smack it a couple times is because you're gonna have to break this shit loose. Somehow, some way, there's like water that gets, like moisture gets inside of that little motor shaft and it rusts inside of there. That's what my theory is, and that's why it's seizing up like this, because I really can't think of any other reason. So you're gonna give it a few good smacks. It's gonna knock that thing back loose, and put this back in like so. So that just drops back into place whenever you do it. Right there. There we go. It goes back in like that. These go back in like this. That's all good. So then there's these two holes right here on the bottom. Get it on the bottom. These right here, that one and that one over there. These go on these tabs like this. I probably should have that door shut, but it'll be a little bit smaller. Actually, I'm gonna shut this down. So. 1, 2, that's back on. Reconnect your switch right here, like so. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put these two on. So there's my two top screws that are gonna hold this in place, and I'm gonna go ahead and replace the 3 that are down there. 1. This dryer is a piece of shit. If you're the one of the unlucky people that bought this
from Best Buy,
I feel sorry for you. So 1, 2, 3.
This is every 2 to 3 months.
Yep, we gotta do this.
That we have to go through this.
Yep. Insignia, if you're watching this, you should be ashamed of yourself.
For your poor design.
Yeah, this is terrible. This is some bullshit. So 1.
Which is why we are making this video for people
who need to repair their dryer.
Yes.
Want to deal with the repairman.
Yes, because when the person comes out to fix this for you, which we had, they couldn't identify the problem, but he could, as you're watching. He figured it out.
Yep.
But the Geek Squad couldn't from Best Buy. And we don't want anybody to go thinking they have to go buy a brand new dryer. You don't have to. You just have to go through this ridiculousness every couple months.
Yeah, mind you, forewarning, I'm not an appliance technician. I'm an HVAC tech. But today I'm an appliance technician too.
Yep.
Or maybe the screw just finally stripped out, because I've done this so many times.
Right.
That could be what it is. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, wait, hold on. Why isn't that going there? There we go.
You can see it's super annoying, right?
So there's your 3 right there. Go ahead at this point and replace your filter. like that. Then we'll bring this back, slide that on top of the little post that it sits on. And from here, you're going to place these 3 screws. Oh, and by the way, make sure you turn your power off before you do all this. We have to add that. That's probably one of the more important steps. To me, that's like second nature. That's why I didn't say nothing. So.
Yeah, hopefully they're watching this first before they go and attempt this.
Oh, I'm sure they are. I doubt anybody's going to be trying to do this without watching the video. So you're going to line these holes back up again. I gotta move some stuff. I can't even see this stuff. Alright, that's better.
Okay, we ready to watch the magic happen?
Oh, well, I can't even see behind it. This shit really is ridiculous.
It is.
Like, literally, I've had to do this more times than I can count out. This is sad that this is even a thing.
Yep. Apologies for the long ass video. We're at 12 minutes.
It's alright. I'm sure they'll appreciate
Just
it.
fast forward through all this.
It's funny because last time we did this, I said I was going to make a video.
Yep.
Next time.
Here we are.
So 1, 2, 3.
Help someone out.
Yep. Now we got everything back how it's supposed to be.
Okay.
And we're gonna turn the power back on there, so.
Yep. Here we go, people.
And
Bam.
just like that.
Dryer is working.
Yep. Just
Well,
like that.
We hope we helped you out. You don't have to buy a new dryer.
Yep, you just gotta knock the motor shaft loose because it's seized up.
Yep.
Inside the motor. So.
Thanks for watching.
Yep, sorry the video took so long.
And good luck.
Yep.